So it's opening night. I'm back at the ABBA Arena and I'm currently in the Departure Lounge where all the swanky people seem to be hanging out. You've got a whole bunch of, you get greeted with a nice drink on the way in. Prosecco, mojitos, all that kind of thing. Nice kind of bar area here as well. And really sort of nice snacks and things like that. There's still a bunch of people outside who are kind of queuing up ready to get in. It's about 7-ish at the moment where I'm looking at, so it's a little later starting than last night. I'm here with some friends. This is Julie, and this is Mandy. Say hi, Mandy. And we've got Andrea over here. Hold on a minute. I've got to readjust half a second. And so here is Andrea.
Hey.
And here is Jill.
Peace.
And we're so excited to be in the arena quite soon. We're just getting an announcement saying that the ABBA Arena is telling us to take our seats. I can't tell you how exciting it is to think that I'll be seeing the show again, and this time without having to kill my feet for standing for ages in smart shoes. So I'll do a lovely, I'm not sure if it'll be lovely or not, but I'll do a reaction video a little bit later on. In the meantime, signing off and looking forward to seeing you later on.